my checklist.
What's up, guys? Good morning. Today we are going to be looking at the flip. We haven't been here, well, I haven't been here in a very long time, actually since we first acquired the property. Now we're going to see what they've been doing, what they've been up to. I know that we started demo, so they've gotten most of the trash out, I think. What happened to the trees? I thought you said they were going to be taking down some of the trees, babe.
In the back. In
the back. Okay. But one thing that did happen is that during the Hurricane Irma or tropical storm that really happened here, one of the trees fell down, the dead trees fell down the backyard and actually broke the deck, which was a good thing because we were going to spend like a couple $1,000 to tear down the dead tree and to take down the deck and remodel it. So, you know, things happen for a reason.
I'm Kelly.
We're going to go check out the house now. Oh, wow. Look how much they took out of this garage. Oh, wait. Come to the back. Remember before, you couldn't even see back here. Now,
This the tree thing.
oh, it took the whole thing off. Come here.
Huh? I love this place.
You love this place?
Oh, look
They're
outside.
selling this pool table. Kendall put it on Craigslist.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Sunshine.
A paver patio right here. Up under this shit is
Yeah, that's the I like it.
They already did the trim on the windows
I
already.
know.
Well, the first coat, they probably gonna clean it up some more. Oh, this is carpet.
Be careful. Come on. Be careful.
Yeah, so they're working on this now, today. Today, tomorrow. What's up, homie? How you doing? Man, looking good.
Oh, wow.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
So, oh, this was wall, this was closet, pantry right here. Knocking all this out. We got that one bedroom down here.
It's not scary. Oh.
Big one that was in, walk in.
So it was mold in here, you guys. Luckily, it didn't get into the roof or anything like that. It was just, I think, in the drywall, so they just cut it out. Yeah. Couldn't even see this before.
Flooring next week. Start to put some flooring down.
Was that chandelier? I'm sorry. Was it chandelier I picked for that room over there?
What chandelier you picked? Oh, chandelier?
Yeah. I hope not.
Which one you talking about?
This room right here.
Oh, no.
Oh.
This is what we see.
Okay, good.
When you say play, so, what you mean? Like all this?
Probably the same.
Well, so what we're gonna do is we ordered new doors yesterday. So when the new doors come in, we're gonna paint the doors and put hinges on. So these is 3 hinge doors. The doors that come that we get in only have 2. So we gotta add the 3rd hinge on them. And then once we do that, we'll sand it down. But it looks like they're gonna start sanding it down a little bit. Yeah. So do that. Got my checklist.
I was surprised. I'm surprised about the property value.
Right?
You know what I'm saying?
So we are getting rid of these 2 dumpsters. They already dumped it twice since they started demolition. I can't believe it was only 2. How much trash was in here? I thought it was gonna be like 6 at least, but they're pretty big dumpsters. Yep, so I'm super excited, guys. It's coming together. We still got a long way to go, but it's coming together.
Yeah, progress is good.
Yeah.
We all ahead of schedule and ish.
Kendall said they did the roof in 2 days, y'all. 2 days.
Oh, brand new roof.
So they're working pretty fast. I'm happy. Like I said, the last time I seen it was when it was like a dump site. So now I'm starting to see like little features in the house, like the stone in the front. I think the white trimming and the paint are going to make the house look a lot bigger than it actually is. Opening up that living room and dining room kitchen was like the greatest idea because it's going to give it a really open, flowy feeling when you first walk in.
They'll move all that wood from right there, and then because all it's going to be is just a column.
Yeah.
All the other shit is they moving it.
Right. I'm excited. It's going to be dope.
Yeah.
Yeah.